And a shortage of cancer medications is now causing a life-threatening situation for patients all across the United States. These 5 cancer drugs are in short supply right now. And as you can see, they are used for a wide range of cancer treatment, from prostate cancer to chemotherapy. Experts say the shortage might be coming from a lack of investment by manufacturers because they aren't that profitable for the drug maker. So what happens next? We're going to bring in NBC News medical fellow Dr. Akshay Syal. Dr. Syal, we have seen a bunch of drug shortages in the past few months, right? Cold and flu medications for kids were one of them, but this is so much, it's more serious. This is cancer medication. That sounds extremely dire. What's going on here?
Yeah, Gary, good evening. It has, life and death consequences, potentially. And so what's really going on here, Gary, as you alluded to, there's a couple reasons why we're seeing shortages of cancer medications now. The first one being economic issues. It's simply not profitable for a company to make generic meds. Think about how cheap it is to get, generic Tylenol or generic Advil or ibuprofen over the counter. That's kind of what you see when drug patents expire. These drugs get really cheap, and there's less incentive for manufacturers to make them. But the other reason, Gadi, and one that the Senate committee actually released a report highlighting their concern about, up to 90 to 95% of injectable drugs are made in foreign countries like India, like China. And what you're seeing now is that drug shortages really are at a 5-year high, 295 active drug shortages, a 30% increase from last year, and an issue, Gadi, that the Senate committee is calling an issue of national security right now.
Wow. In these particular cases, what happens when somebody needs a life-saving drug and they just don't have access to it? Is there a triage situation that happens within hospitals, or what goes on?
It's a case-by-case basis. There are certain conditions where there are second-line medications that may not be as effective, may not work as well. But Gadi, our team spoke to a patient, Mr. Robert Landfair. He's in his 70s, diagnosed with, you can see him on your screen here, diagnosed with stage 4 advanced prostate cancer back in 2018. He had not had success with regular chemotherapy, and his doctors wanted to try a brand-new medication approved just last year. I mean, what you're seeing, Gadi, is he's on the wait list. His cancer is growing. It's not waiting. And he's on the wait list for an advanced medication that's going to take months for the shortage to resolve. So you can see, patients like Mr. Landfair here are really what we're concerned about, patients whose cancers are going to keep growing while we wait for their medications, because we know that every month you delay cancer treatment could potentially mean a 10% worse prognosis.
And, Doctor, what are the possible fixes here? Does the FDA need to step in?
Well, yeah, that's where I get to come on and give some good news. In addition to the Senate report, the FDA has announced some measures this month. They're putting out a new notice to drug manufacturers, especially ones overseas. You need to notify us if 6 months ahead of time, if you think there's going to be a problem with the drug, if you think there's going to be a problem anywhere along the manufacturing chain, you really need to let us know, because we can't wait until the last minute. We can't just go to patients like Mr. Robert Landfair here and say, sorry, you're out of luck. This drug is in shortage. We need to be prepared ahead of time. And by, giving that 6 months heads up, we're hoping that can help rectify some of this, Gadi.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.